Hello friends, welcome to the first video of our channel. I am so excited that you are watching this video. Let's start. Have you ever tried to open a lock like this? The police showed this tactic after catching a skilled thief. It is normal for the barrel of a gun to be in such a state after firing 600 rounds at once. In this way, the fish stumble in the pond of a minister of India in the grade of the food given to the visitors. A dead whale lands on the shores of the Cape Coatesy in Namibia, and as many people as there are people in the area, they all become overwhelmed with joy, because you can take whatever amount you want in the fish market. See what their joy, that's happy. It's a bear that will say goodbye to you if you raise your hand. If you give some food, then there is no point.
Oh, he picked it up and ate it.
Ew, he ate this. That was a little one.
An eel is trying to catch a crab on a beach in Hawaii.
You're kidding, right?
Sense of a train platform in Tokyo, the capital of Japan, it becomes difficult to close the door for the crowd of people of the train. So these workers have been paid to push the public to close the train doors. Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. To get our next video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. We hope you enjoy watching our videos.